Hi, sir. Two election watchdogs, Kontra, Daya, and NAMFREL, are claiming that Bongo may have committed vote buying when he allegedly distributed cash assistance to victims of a certain fire incident last week.
Why don't they file if that is what they believe in? You know, I look at the provision. Baka mahirapan kasi what it says there is that will induce the voter to be influenced by what you gave. Mukhang ibang situation dito kay Bongo sapagkat these are donations and they are fire victims. Pangalawa, I read also that it was not even him who gave the so-called donation, cash donation. Mahirapan sila doon.
Pero sir, is the palace thinking of, or is the president thinking of maybe cautioning Bongo against doing anything that might be construed as an election offense?
Bongo is a responsible person. And he has his own, I suppose, lawyers surrounding him.
Thank you, sir.
May follow-up? Ina.
And I don't think Bongo will be violating any election offense.